So when you're thinking about cerebrovascular accidents, think about this food truck. Think about this food truck, okay? Think about the fact that this food truck has to come to Edmonton or has to come to Toronto or has to go somewhere, okay? And then you see here that there are blockages on the way, okay? So think about the human brain as a city which needs food supplies. And then think about the blood as the delivery track. So Edmonton is the brain. The delivery track is the blood. And the blood vessels are the roads, okay? If a road to Edmonton is blocked or damaged, what will happen is that it's going to affect the delivery of food to the city, and therefore it will cause the neighborhood to suffer, okay? And that is what we call brain ischemia. So just think about it. The bus which has to send the food to the city is blocked, and therefore the bus cannot take the food in there. Why is it blocked? Because something called a stroke is happening. It is blocking the road. That's the easy way I can explain this. So what can happen to a blocked road? Remember that if the road is blocked and then you call the police quickly, the police can come in and get the doctor. Sorry, I think somebody's trying to call through this. Please, let me just tell person that I'm teaching. Okay, if there's a blocked road, two things can happen. We can call the police quickly to come and help move the traffic. Okay, we can call the police to come and move the traffic quickly, or if the police do not come to remove the traffic and then the road remains blocked for weeks. Can you imagine, like Edmonton needs food and we are not getting the food there? What then can happen is that the people in Edmonton will start suffering, right? So just think about it in that way. If you're thinking about a stroke, the roadblock can be dealt with quickly, and that will then give you just transient symptoms, and that's what we call the transient ischemic attack. Or if that doesn't happen and the road remains blocked for a long time, then we can have the sequelae of long-term blockage of the road, and that is what can lead to a stroke. All right, so this is why it's a big deal to know the cause of the brain damage in case of cerebrovascular accident, because treatment will depend on the cause.